Hello, guys. Today I'm going to talk about the ways to make your girlfriend happy. You can follow this 4 steps for bringing a smile in your girlfriend's lips. Number 1, give her thoughtful presents that stays with her for a longer time, like teddy bear or such. Number 2, express as much as you can. Say her how much she means to you, and I'm sure she will melt away. Number 3, listen to her. Listen to her every single talk, no matter how stupid she may sound. Number 4, plan a trip together. Everyone wants to get away from their boring scheduled life, so give her a chance and trust me, she will be happy like a rope. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. See you.